Welcome to our video, Corptax Tax Software Review Usage Experience. In this review, we'll dive straight into Corptax's features, performance, and who it's best suited for. You'll find links to the product in the description if you want to explore it further. Corptax is a robust tax software designed primarily for large businesses and tax professionals who need comprehensive tools for corporate tax compliance. The software supports a wide range of tax filings, including federal, state, and local, making it ideal for corporations with complex tax situations. One of its standout features is the automated data import and integration with multiple ERP systems, which reduces manual entry and streamlines the process. Corptax's compliance management ensures you're always up to date with changing tax laws, thanks to its regular updates. The software also offers powerful reporting capabilities, allowing users to generate custom reports and track tax positions easily. For tax professionals, the software's e-filing capabilities are a huge plus. You can file returns electronically, saving significant time. Corptax is also equipped with collaboration tools, making it easier for teams to work together on tax filings. It comes with excellent audit trails, ensuring transparency and accountability. What makes Corptax stand out is its flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for both large enterprises and accounting firms handling multiple clients. The learning curve may be steep initially, but once you're familiar with the interface, the process becomes highly efficient. In conclusion, Corptax is a powerful tool for businesses and professionals who need a reliable, feature-rich software for corporate tax management. It delivers the functionality, compliance assurance, and accuracy needed to tackle complex tax challenges.